Lewis and Clark public health leaders are getting ready to roll out the next large round of COVID-19 vaccinations to local healthcare workers. MTN's Jonathan Ambarian takes a closer look at their plans.
There are as many as 6,000 healthcare workers in Lewis and Clark County, and starting this week, they'll be next in line to receive a COVID-19 vaccination.
All the folks that are involved in that industry and keep it on its feet and keep people safe and healthy, that's who we're going after right now.
On Tuesday and Wednesday, Lewis and Clark Public Health and its community partners will hold their first drive-in vaccination clinic for healthcare workers only. They plan to give out about 500 doses of the Moderna vaccine over 2 days.
We do hope in the coming weeks after that to ramp that up a little bit, because we do want to make sure that we're getting vaccine out as quickly as possible, and 500 a week wouldn't be on par with where we want to be and where we need to be.
Public Health is coordinating vaccine distribution in the county, working with St. Peter's Health, Pierview Health Center, the Helena Indian Alliance, and other organizations. Several healthcare providers in the county have already started vaccinating their staff. Long-term care facilities will also be receiving a separate allocation of vaccines through national pharmacies. CVS Health announced last week that it would begin working with about 100 long-term care facilities across Montana this week, providing vaccines for more than 13,000 residents and staff. Health leaders say it's important to complete the first round of vaccinations as efficiently as possible to get closer to when they'll be available for mass distribution.
I want the general population to understand it's coming. This is a very safe vaccine, highly effective, and it's coming in the short term here. We just have to keep doing those public health protections in advance of when we get that vaccine, and even after we get the vaccine. It's not going to go right back to normal life, but it will very quickly get to that point. So this is really exciting.
Public health leaders say they hope to offer vaccinations to the majority of people in the first phase by mid-January. In Helena, Jonathan Ambarian, MTN News.
Public health officials say the vaccines for this week's clinic have all come from an allocation to St. Peter's Health.